This is my 1930s Underwood Champion Standard typewriter, which some friends of mine got for $30 at a antique shop. And when I got it, it was pretty, let's say, stuck because nothing was moving. When I started cleaning it out, I found out that the shift, I wasn't even sure if it was in capital letters or in normal letters, because the shift was stuck. You couldn't press the keys even if they were up, and the shift was stuck too, and I wasn't sure if this was a basket shifting or carriage shifting. Eventually I got it loose. As you can see, it's carriage shift. It works now. Backspace has a mind of its own. Then it does work and it doesn't, so I assume that the little hook that pulls back the carriage is a bit loose, tad loose. Spacebar works, tabulator works. Margin release doesn't. The margin release doesn't, unfortunately. I don't know what's wrong with it. And shift locks work. I don't know what's going on with the margin release. Backspace works though. It has a little spinning lever here, which turns the ribbon in both ways. You can, if people don't know, you can take the cover off like this, and you can see inside. I cleaned it really nice up. If I turn on the light, you can see it better. It's really clean, as you can see. And on this side, oh, focus. You see, really clean. Also inside, pretty good condition. Some of the letters are a bit worn, but still, you can see the pattern what it was. So, wait. There we go. Anyway, you can see here the E is almost gone and the R is missing. Like the R is gone. And besides that, yeah, the N is turning. Like there are a few that are turning a bit bad, but besides that, this machine has been used a lot. You can tell because the word Underwood is missing here at the front. There should be Underwood. You can see the pattern a little bit, and there's a lot of wear on the front here. As you can see, paint is all missing, and this is coming off. But still, it's working fine. It's a good machine. Works great. I have a piece of paper here. I can show you. I cleaned it up real nice. Like I said, it didn't work when I got the machine, and when I was cleaning it up, I found a bunch of toys in there, like a little Lego cactus and all that. So I assumed the original owner was a child or had a child in the family or anything like that. Anyway, here's a typing sample. Oh. See, it works fine. It also does red. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. Also works. So yeah, it has been used a lot, but still usable and works great. It's a good machine. The only thing that's not original is the side knob. As you can see, it's green and not as old as the machine itself. And one of the feet has broken in half, so that's taped together. But besides that, like besides some wear and all that, it still works great. The keys were rusted when I found it, so I scraped the rust off. Now they shine really nice, as you can see. So yeah. Here it is. Okay, well, thank you for watching.